This foreplay techniques no one has ever told you. If a wife wants to attract her husband or satisfy him emotionally and physically, and if a husband wants to truly understand and fulfill his wife, then this conversation is extremely important. Many couples think foreplay means just a few kisses or touches right before intimacy, but real foreplay is much deeper than that. It starts in the mind, flows through emotions, and finally reaches the body. Today, I'm going to explain foreplay in a way most people never talk about. These are techniques that involve your whole body, your presence, your attention, and your connection. If you've ever wondered why your partner feels distant, why desire feels low, or why things feel repetitive, this video will help. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. I'm Dr. Neha, and I try to explain sensitive topics in simple language. Watch this till the end, because foreplay is not a trick, it's a skill that transforms relationships. Before we talk about techniques, let's understand why foreplay matters. Foreplay is preparation, not just physical preparation, but emotional preparation. Think about any important activity in life. You never jump straight into it without warming up. Before exercise, you stretch. Before a presentation, you prepare mentally. Before a long journey, you pack your bags. Foreplay is exactly that. It prepares your partner's body and mind for closeness. Most people make one big mistake. They start foreplay only when they feel aroused. That's already too late. By that time, your partner may still be tired, distracted, stressed, or emotionally disconnected. True foreplay begins hours earlier, sometimes even a day earlier. Real foreplay starts with how you speak to your partner in the morning. It starts with whether you listen when they talk. It starts with small gestures like sending a kind message, sharing a laugh, helping with chores, or showing appreciation. These actions build emotional safety. Emotional safety creates desire. Now, let's talk about the first powerful technique. Foreplay begins long before the bedroom. If you want your partner to feel close to you at night, connect with them during the day. Compliment them genuinely. Ask how their day was. Touch their shoulder while passing by. Give a warm hug. Kiss their forehead. These small actions tell your partner, "You matter to me." When someone feels valued emotionally, their body opens naturally. For working couples, planning also helps. You don't need a formal date every time, but even deciding that you'll spend quality time together in the evening makes a difference. Anticipation builds excitement. Sending playful or caring messages during the day keeps connection alive. Second technique, prepare yourself. Many people expect their partner to be ready while they themselves are exhausted or distracted. Foreplay also means taking care of your own body. Freshen up, change into comfortable clothes, take a shower if needed. Relax your mind. When you feel clean and calm, your partner senses it. About 30 to 45 minutes before intimacy, slow down. Turn off unnecessary screens. Take a short walk together. Sit and talk. Drink water. Create a relaxed atmosphere. These simple things shift both of you from daily stress into connection mode. Third technique, slow touch. Most couples rush touch. They go straight to sensitive areas, but the entire body is full of nerve endings. Foreplay works best when you start slowly and gently. Begin with holding hands, then move to soft hugs, then light touches on arms, back, neck, or hair. Your goal is not to excite immediately. Your goal is to relax your partner. Touch should feel safe, not demanding. Use your palms. Use gentle pressure. Let your partner feel that you are present, not in a hurry. Fourth technique, conscious kissing. Kissing is not just lips touching, it's communication. Kiss slowly. Change rhythm, sometimes soft, sometimes deeper. Let your partner respond. Follow their pace. Good kissing alone can awaken desire if done with attention. Fifth technique, use your whole body. Foreplay is not only about hands or lips, it's about your chest, your breath, your warmth, and your presence. Sit close. Let your partner lean into you. Feel each other's heartbeat. This creates deep connection. Many people forget that skin-to-skin contact releases oxytocin, the bonding hormone. This hormone builds trust and closeness. Even simple cuddling is powerful foreplay. Sixth technique, communication. Silence often creates confusion. Gentle talking during foreplay helps. Ask what feels good. Ask if they prefer softer or firmer touch. Share what you enjoy too. You don't need complicated words. Simple sentences like, "Does this feel nice?" or "Tell me what you like," can transform intimacy. Everyone's body responds differently. What worked last time may feel different today. Communication keeps things alive. Seventh technique, emotional validation. For many women especially, emotional connection is key. If If your partner feels unheard or unappreciated, physical touch alone may not work. During foreplay, remind them that they are special to you. Appreciation increases openness. Say things like, "I love spending time with you," or "You mean a lot to me." These words relax the nervous system and deepen trust. Eighth technique, pacing. Do not rush. Foreplay is not a race. Let things unfold slowly. Pay attention to breathing. If your partner seems tense, slow down. If they lean closer, continue. Matching pace builds harmony. Ninth technique, explore non-obvious areas. The body has many sensitive zones besides private parts. Neck, shoulders, scalp, behind ears, lower back, even feet can respond to gentle touch. Explore respectfully. Observe reactions. Every person is different. 10th technique, presence. This may be the most important one. Be fully there. Not thinking about work, not checking your phone, not planning tomorrow. Give your partner your full attention. Presence makes your partner feel desired, not just used. Now let's talk about something many people ignore. After intimacy, stay connected. This is often called aftercare. Stay close, hold each other, talk about how it felt, express gratitude. This strengthens emotional bonding and makes future intimacy easier. Foreplay does not end when intimacy ends. The way you treat your partner afterward matters deeply. Another important point is that foreplay changes with age and life stages. After 40 or during menopause, bodies change. Energy levels change, sensitivity changes. That's normal. Couples who adapt instead of comparing with the past stay closer. Gentle touch, longer emotional connection, and slower pacing often become more important with time. Also remember that stress kills desire. If your partner is overwhelmed, tired, or emotionally burdened, foreplay starts with reducing that stress. Helping with responsibilities, listening without judgment, and being supportive are powerful aphrodisiacs. Now, let's address one more truth. Foreplay is not a performance. It's a shared exploration. There is no perfect formula. There is only attention, respect, and willingness to learn each other again and again. Many couples lose intimacy because they stop being curious about each other. Stay curious. Ask questions. Try new things gently. Laugh together. Don't be embarrassed. Foreplay also improves overall relationship quality. Couples who practice emotional foreplay have fewer arguments, better communication, and deeper connection. So, let me summarize in simple words. Foreplay starts in the heart, not the hands. It begins with kindness, continues with touch, deepens with communication, and completes with emotional closeness. If you master foreplay, you don't just improve physical satisfaction, you build a stronger relationship. If you found this helpful, share it with your partner. Talk about it together. Try small changes. And if you're new to the channel, subscribe. I'm Dr. Neha, and I try to explain sensitive topics in simple language. Take care of each other.